Superintendent of Police Jong East Castle District ba Vivix M Negasngi Habai Krem Kinong Tho Kubor Halor Kijing Pyniap Jong Wayu Rangbah Ha Kathan Mau Diang Diang Ulay Thu ba Kani Kijing Jia Kalagjia Ha Kamit Jong Kasngiu Blay Ha Kapor Kumbash Post Tang Menmit Bat La Lap Ya Wayu Briu Bala Shadong Wat Bat La Shem Yu Hajan Ka Kerdop Jong Ka BSF Battalion Ki Sipai BSF kala penkit dia Shani Krims banyo jengerap bat menta udang don hapadeng kejing sumar susu ulai thoro balalap ya kawai ka mediap hamau kasyang hakabau niubri ula don bunteli ki dakmong na kejing sya dung hakim tiar ki banep ulai thoro ba ya kani kejing dia la register case bat kejing toket kadang ya cekmat.
Yes, we actually last night at about 10:30 a.m. there was one person who was stabbed and he was found near the gate of BSF battalion, and BSF personnel took him to Nigrams for treatment. Then there was he's undergoing treatment right now, and there was another report in the morning that of one body which was found in Bokasyang. He has multiple stab injuries. The body has been taken to Nigrams for postmortem examination. We are registering a case on this matter, and investigation will commence. There was another person who was in the same group who was he was found in Mautawar also at night, and with injuries on his person. So he is also been hospitalized, and so it appears that these three people were together. The deceased is identified. His name is Shanbor Rani. In fact, he was also involved in many cases earlier on, and in offences of murder and under the NPS Act. So we have registered a case, and we will investigate the whole matter. As of now, we cannot say what is this about, whether it's any, what is the motive behind this killing, whether it has to do with, whether it has to do with anything to do with the drug trade, or whether it's vendetta killing. Once we investigate, then we will be able to get some clue as to why this killing of Shanbor Rani happened. So the vehicle which was actually recognized belongs to the deceased himself. Okay, yeah, people kena menu badan ke kita hibrio. Teman kita pa kin khambon bagi dan langot kini lade ban khambon ni kata kin langot. Hari nak token la salah ke gadisya. Kan mut kidan ke kita hibrio.